take you on a date. I can't even buy you flowers, but together we can be the perfect soulmates. Talk to me, girl. Baby, it's alright now, you ain't gotta flow for me. If we go, don't you can still touch my love is free. We can work with the first, just you and me. Tug it out till we get it right. Baby, it's alright now, you ain't gotta flow for me. If we go, don't you can still touch my love is free. We can work with the first, just you and me. Tug it out till we get it right.
Hi everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I have another OG Murakami bag to share with you. And you know what it is because you've seen my opening to this video. I was just having fun with these bags, and you know, I was out and about with them, so I'm just like, you know what, every time I go out with these bags I'm just going to start filming, so that's what I did. It is the Chrissie bag, and I believe this one is 2007, and again, I've got it a month or so ago before the crazy prices on the pre-loved market right now. For once, I'm ahead of the game. I'm not behind it. I don't know about you, but I see these OG purses and I'm just like, oh my gosh. And some of them are not even as in nice condition as this one, and they're asking astronomical prices. But anyways, I'm happy to have this. This is one of the bags that was on my dream list. I'm actually going to have to share with you for 2025 my dream list of bags. It's quite dwindled by now because you know, the last year or so I was able to pick up these. And it's funny because before I started YouTube, I was looking for these bags and you know, couldn't find them, you know, my criteria, the right colorway, the price, and the condition. And I've been so lucky. Anyways, back to the bag. Just look at this bag. It is just covered with this stud detail, which either you love it or you hate it. And if you hated it, you probably clicked off this video, but I absolutely love how it just wraps around the bottom. And it has it on the what's this called? Oh my gosh, the opening and closing part. Let's just move you guys in closer so you can see right there. And then more stud detail on the clochette here, which has the keys because you can you can lock this purse. Wow, this is really stiff. I don't think anybody's ever taken these and moved them out. So there's the clochette there with the keys. You can lock it. Oh my gosh. Yes, I love this style. And it has the Louis Vuitton made in Paris right there. I can get in real close for you. It's got with this honey patina here all around. I've got it on the first cutout. It's adjustable, and this just fits me perfect. So for a shoulder bag, it has many holes that you can adjust to. And then what's cool on these bags, it has these side pockets with the Alcantara lining in it. And did I say I got it in my colorway? Yes. No, I don't think I did. So you know me, I like with the pink colorway. So it has here pink up here, pink, and it's got the hot pink down there, the purple there, and it's got the blues at the side, and the blue and the purple there. Make sure I get it in the frame. So it's the exact colorway that I wanted. And going on to the inside of the purse, the zipper is really smooth, considering it is such an old bag. Opens, you know, really easy. Don't have to do anything with that. Came with a dust bag, which you know I like. I don't know if this is original dust bag. I don't think it is, but you know what? That's okay. It was nice that it came with a dust bag. The inside, guys, with this gorgeous, gorgeous Alcantara lining. Oh my gosh, how do I do this? There. And what I really like here is the label right there. I believe it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And it's funny, the collection that's coming out in days, or yeah, by the time, yeah, it's going out in days. And I know a lot of the VIPs have pre-ordered, but I'm a commoner, so I've got to wait till January like everybody else. Their new tag is that color, but I didn't see the inside of the any bags. I don't know. I've heard mixed story that they're beige. They're not going to do the red interior, but don't quote me on that. So as you can see, it's a huge bag. The measurements I will put in the description box. It's a big bag. It's a fair size bag. I'm just gonna stuff it back in here, or stuff it, so I can do some mod shots. And yes, this bag has been just, oh my gosh, guys, so fun to use. I just love the Chrissie. I love all the details, everything about this bag. I just totally love. Okay, let's do some mod shots. I also just forgot to show you, I actually got a Noir wallet at the same time I got the Chrissie bag. Here it is here, with the Dark and Honey patina, the back zipper with that raspberry grenade, what do they call it, leather lining. And you know me, I just love this gold buckle. And then it opens to this, and it has somebody's initials on it, but you know what, I don't care. I'll figure out something to do with that because it's not my initials at all. So I can't wait to start using this. I haven't used it, but I can't wait. I just love this pink interior. It's so gorgeous. So yeah, now we'll do some mod shots, guys. Thanks everybody for joining me today. That's it. I'll have one more OG Murakami to show you next Sunday. Until then, I hope everybody is having a wonderful day, and enjoying the holidays. Take care, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.